Hey everybody, second video of the day. Cliff over at GI Mechanic Models, he's doing a trike build, well, a motorcycle build. He told me that the trike could work, so I'm going to join his group build. Only thing is that about this kit is, he said it's got to be 500 cc's. Well, it's got a 327. Cliff, would that work? I mean, there's a lot of power behind that thing, buddy. But anyway, as you can see, it's a sealed kit. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and see what we got. These little kits, they're fun to do. They're real simple. Let's see what we got. Alright, first of all, we got instructions. See if I get my hand out of the light. Let's see if it'll focus. Okay. The decals, see, they look pretty good. I don't really know what color I'm gonna paint it. I might paint it gold, I don't know. Let's see. Let's open this bag up real quick. I don't know how good y'all can see this. Let's see. Let's try to do this another way, I guess. But of course, there's all your little separate pieces, which I'll do a video once I start putting it together and showing the pieces. And of course, it's got the big whiteys on the back and a little skinny on the fronts. And it's got your different color lights and mirrors or whatever in your back window. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna try to do this a different way. See if I can. I mean, it's a nice little kit. The chrome pieces are really clean. But Cliff, yeah, when I did that other rat feet build, he told me that the trike would work. So, I mean, so that's what I'm going to do. I mean, which I got a Harley Davidson kit coming. It should be here, I don't know, sometime soon. Maybe I'll wait the next year to build that one. But anyway, Cliff, I'm in, buddy. I appreciate you putting it on. I appreciate you telling me about it and, you know, saying I could use this. So we're going to do the taco trike. Baby, I want a taco. All right, well, everybody have a great weekend. And we'll talk to y'all soon.